Be sure to read and follow the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the owner's manual at dell.com/support. Before you begin, turn off the computer and disconnect all the attached peripherals. To remove the SMA antenna, identify the external puck antenna and loosen the screw securing it to the system. Remove the latch and unplug the cables to fully disconnect the antenna. Loosen the screw securing the side cover to the system and lift the cover off the system. Identify the wireless module and remove the screw. Unlatch and disconnect the cables to remove the module from the system. Identify the SMA antenna module and disconnect the cable. Remove the screw and lift the module out of the system. To reinstall the SMA antenna, place it back in the system. Tighten the screw and reconnect the cable. Place the wireless module back in the system and reconnect the cables. Relatch and install the screw to secure the module. Place the side cover back on the system and tighten the screw to secure it. Reconnect the external puck antenna cables and install the latch to secure it. Please note, the system will only power on and exit service mode if the adapter is connected. For more information about your Dell system, visit dell.com/support.